Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your username on your BeReal social app. So if you are using BeReal app and you want to change your username, I will show you how you can change it. So for that, first of all, open your BeReal app. Then you will see this interface. Now to change your username, tap on logo option on the top corner. Then as you can see here, with your name, you can see your username. To change it, tap on edit profile. Now you can see here second option, username, right? Now to change it, you can change from here. And as you can read here, your new username will be active after when you get a new BeReal notification. In your username you can add dot, and also you can add underscores. So this is how you can change your username on BeReal app. Then when you will change your username, click on tick option on the top corner. Then your username will be changed. So when you will get your next notification, your username will be start to appear on your BeReal app. So this is how you can change your username. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.